In this video, we're going to go from this to this. Okay, so I originally put that gate over there by the stairs, and then somebody sent me a message mentioning the fact that this gate should not be at the top of the stairs, only at the bottom stairs or pass through. So I have since moved it in between the kitchen and the living area to keep our little girls out of the kitchen, so they don't play with steak knives or whatever. So anyway, even though this video shows it going at the top of the stairs, that is not where it stayed at. Just wanted to let you know. And please order the correct gate to go at the top of the stairs. I have another video that shows how to install one with a link to it for the top of the stairs, and yet another gate that's at the bottom of the stairs. And in fact, you can see all three of them from right here. So anyway, I'm going to go on and continue with the installation video, and again, as it shows it at the top of the stairs, that's not how it ended up being in the end. So we got a little one we want to protect from falling down the stairs, so I purchased this gate, and there'll be a link to the item on Amazon in the description. And here's how I installed it. Okay, so the first step is just to kind of pre-assemble it on the floor. Okay, go ahead and screw these two together. Well, don't put much pressure on them. Okay, this piece right here is just an extension that is needed for larger doorways. Mine is not going to need that, so I'm going to go ahead and just set that aside. Okay, after getting it somewhat installed, go in here and drill some pilot holes for the cups. Okay. Okay, so after replacing a screw that got broken with one that I had, I can contact the manufacturer later and see if they can send me the correct one. But I have one the same size and thread, it's just got a different head on it. So anyway, it seems pretty solid. What would probably be a good idea is to make a spacer going from here to here to take in that gap a little bit. Get rid of a little bit of that flux. Of course I can center it up a little bit more, which will probably help. move this back and move that one that way a little bit, get it a little more centered. Overall, I think it's a decent buy, and I'll probably go ahead and get another one for our other stairs as well. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.